Hey, ever looked at someone else's code and thought, what is this mess? Today I'll show you how real programmers avoid that. Let's start with the program. Continue. So I'm writing the very first line like this, student information with the hash, and you can see the line with the gray color. I'm gonna just write one line creating a variable and using the input function which we have learned so far. So I am using the same uh, format which we learned last day. I'm gonna ask two things. I'm creating one more variable with it, like with the same pattern, like input, and then parentheses, and then space marks, and then I will say that enter age. Okay, so I'm gonna run it. You will see that there is you can't see in the output like student information. How is this? So let's run. The age is 32, for example, and the code is finished. We have exited the code. So listen to me. This line I'm talking about, this line starting with a hash is called a comment. They think of it as a sticky note, like for programmers. Python doesn't read it, but you will when you come back to your programs week later. See the black lines, like the spaces I have left in between. That parts of the writing clean code. Good programmers don't just write code that works, they write code that's easy to read as well. And one more thing, notice I didn't randomly add spaces before any line, like here I'm talking about and here I'm talking about. If I will leave line, for example, and I'm gonna run it, you will see there is an error now, and it is saying that unexpected intent. This is known as indentation error. So you are not supposed to make the indentation error, obviously. So indentation. And tomorrow you will see how just a few spaces can completely change when your program does. As you know that I erased the spaces which I created before, so I'm gonna run it again and you will see it is running smoothly. Okay, so we are not allowed to leave the spaces before until unless those are compulsory to leave. So today's lesson is simple, but these habits separate beginners from professionals. Follow code with Andeela because tomorrow your Python programs will start making decisions. So we are gonna move forward. Okay, see you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz till then.